Video 25, Heat Transfer. This is Mrs. G revises food prep. Heat can be transferred in 3 different ways: conduction, convection, and radiation. Conduction is the transfer of heat energy through the vibration of particles. In a solid, the particles are held tightly together, so when one particle vibrates, it bumps into the other particles and passes the vibrations on. When a pan is placed on a hob, heat energy from the hob causes particles in the pan to vibrate more and gain heat energy. When the particles collide with nearby particles, they pass on some of the extra heat energy on to them. The process continues throughout the pan until the heat has passed all the way through. When food is placed into the hot pan, heat energy is transferred from the particles in the pan to the particles in the food in a similar way until the food is cooked through. Metals are good conductors of heat. This is why most pans are made out of metal, so energy from the cooker is quickly transferred to the pan and its contents. Convection. Convection is the transfer of heat energy through gases such as air or liquids. When you heat up a liquid, the liquid near the heat source warms up faster. The warm liquid rises above its colder surroundings like a hot air balloon. As the warm liquid rises, colder liquid takes its place. The colder liquid is heated, and when it starts to rise, colder liquid takes its place. As this process continues, you end up with a circulation of fluid, convection current. After a while, this circulation of heat results in the whole fluid being heated. Convection also occurs in ovens. Hot air rises and cooler air falls in exactly the same way. Radiation. Radiation is the transfer of heat energy through waves of radiation. It's like how the sun heats up the earth. Unlike conduction and convection, there is no direct contact between the heat and the food. Cookers like grills and toasters use radiation to cook food. They emit waves of radiation. When these waves reach the food, they're absorbed and heat the food up. Microwaves use radiation to heat up the fat, sugar, and water molecules in food.